Okay, the homemade mini bike project, homemade mini bike frame, part three, I guess it would be. I haven't worked on it in a while, but I'm trying to move forward on this. So what's new is, well, for one thing, you can see it's on wheels, even though that's just temporary. But what I wanted to point out today is I bought some bolts from the hardware store at about $2 a piece. They're 8 inches long, and you can see just I'm gonna have to make a spacer in there, but just long enough to be just about right at like $2 a piece compared to say 8 or 10 bucks a piece for some mini bike axles plus shipping. Again, just a bolt. I'll have to make a spacer, but again, it looks like just enough room to put a nut on there, and I'd rather pay the $2 for a bolt than 8 or 10 bucks for a mini bike axle and have to pay shipping and wait for it besides. And in case anybody's interested, the distance between this side to, well, this side, you know, the distance for the wheel, I gave myself 7 inches here, so I could maybe fit a bigger wheel, but at least for now this wheel fits. And in the front here, I believe I had roughly 5 inches in between, but these ends are kind of wide, so with those being roughly an inch plus the 5 inch, that makes 7, so the 8 inch bolt again works out like just about right. So I'm happy with the bolts, and I got this thing on wheels, at least for now. And I'm sorry it's so dark in here, but at least you get a good idea of what it's going to look like finished now. And one other thing I wanted to point out is you don't need to buy a motor mount plate. You can get by with just a couple of straps like this and drill the holes you need for the engine. So why pay for a motor plate when you don't have to? You know, I like to save money and let you guys know there's ways to save money. I wish the lighting wasn't better in here so you could see what this looks like with the wheels finally, but this is all I can do for now, and thank you to everybody that's been watching. And I know I still need to do some welding on the frame, but I'm trying to move forward on this, and there should be more soon. I really do want to get this finished.